is important. The problem is the vertices of a triangle are A, B, C. A is 1, comma 4, comma 2. B is minus 2, comma 1, comma 2. C is 2, comma 3, comma minus 4. We can find out the angle A, angle B, angle C. For that, we can take the direction ratios of two lines. Then we can apply the angle in between of the two lines with the direction ratios. We know that. First, how to find out the direction ratios means suppose A is equal to A1, comma B1, comma C1 and B equal to A2, comma B2, comma C2 or vertices of a triangle then AB line ratios, direction ratios are A2 minus A1, comma B2 minus B1, comma C2 minus C1. These are the direction ratios. By applying that direction ratios condition for AB line and AC line, then we can take the angle in between, angle theta in between of AB line and AC line with the DRs. Suppose A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 is cos theta equal to A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square under root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. These two formulas are related to this one, this suitable problem. Why? Because we can find out the angles with the lines. So we can find out the ratios. First we can write down the vertices of triangle. Let capital A equal to 1, comma 4, comma 2, B equal to minus 2, comma 1, comma 2, C equal to 2, comma 3, comma minus 4. Find out AB line, that is minus 2, minus 1, 1 minus 4, 2 minus 2 equal to minus 3, minus 3, 0. And BC line, 2 minus into minus plus 2, 3 minus 1, minus 4, minus 2 equal to 4, 2, minus 6. Next, AC line. AC means 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4, minus 4, minus 2. 1, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 6. These are the DRs. It is equal to DRs of AB line, DRs of BC line, DRs of AC line. Next, let angle A be the angle between AB line and AC line with the DRs minus 3, minus 3, 0 and 4, comma 2, 1, comma minus 1, comma minus 6. Then cos A equal to minus 3 into 1 plus of minus 3 into minus 1 plus 0 into minus 6 by under root of minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square plus 0 square under root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 6 whole square. Taking the modulus, it is equal to minus 3 plus 3 by under root of 3 3s are 9 plus 9 under root of 1 plus 1 plus 36. It's a 0 by something is 0. Therefore, cos A equal to 0 degrees, then A equal to, sorry, cos A equal to 0, value is 0. So A equal to pi by 2. Next, taking angle B, be the angle between BC and AB. With the DRs, BC is 4 to minus 6, A is minus 3 minus 3 0. 4 to minus 6 and minus 3 minus 3 0. Then cos beta, sorry, cos B equal to modulus of 4 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 0 into minus 6 or minus 6 into 0 by under root of 4 square plus 2 square plus minus 6 whole square under root of minus 3 square plus minus 3 whole square. It is equal to 4 3s are minus 12 minus 6 by under root of 4 4s are 16 plus 4 plus 36. It's 20, 56. The root of 9 plus 9, 18. 18 by, here 56 means 2 28s are 2 14s are 2 7s are under root of 56 into 18. 18 means 2 9s are 3 3s are. So it is equal to 18 by under root of 4 square 3 square 7. 18 by 4 into 3 root 7. 4 3 1s are 3 6s are 2 2s are 2 3s are. It is equal to 3 by 2 root 7. From this, angle B equal to cos inverse of 3 by 2 root 7. Similarly, angle C is the angle of BC and AC. With the DRs, 4 to minus 6 and 1 minus 1 minus 6. Then cos C equal to 4 1s are plus 2 into minus 1 plus minus 6 into minus 6 by under root of 4 square plus 2 square plus of minus 6 whole square under root of 1 square plus of minus 1 whole square plus of minus 6 whole square. 4 minus 2 plus 36 modulus by under root of 16 plus 4 plus 36. 56 root 1 plus 1 plus 36, 38. 38 by root 56, root 38. Root 38, here root will come. Under root of 38 by 56. 2 19s are 228s are. Root 19 by 28. So, cos C equal to under root of 19 by 28. Angle C is equal to cos inverse of under root 19 by 28. These are the angles with the vertices of the triangle ABC.